Welcome everyone. This is a demo of Genie's GenAI framework and its ability to complement Amazon Q for mainframe software developers. In this demo, you will see us running JCL from Amazon Q, running into a bug, troubleshooting it, fixing, and running it successfully. On the left-hand side, you see Amazon Q. The chat window is Amazon Q developer mode. I'm a mainframe developer and I'm working on some JCL. You can see the code on the right side of the screen. First, let's ask Amazon Q to explain what this does. It's looking at the code and it explains that this JCL decompresses an SMF file that likely contains ZOS performance data. I will now ask it to submit this JCL and check it was successful. It's now using Genie's GenAI framework to submit the job. You can see that it's run and now is checking on the status. We can see that the job failed, so it will now check the job output using the Genie's GenAI framework again to see what went wrong. It will come back and say this file's not found, and provide some suggested fixes. I can see that I had a typo, so I go in and fix the S to an A, I save it, and now we will tell it to run again. It submits. Again, using the Genie's GenAI framework, it submits the job and comes back and says it seems the job ran, but completed with a condition code 99. This is a warning from the utility. It automatically looks into what happened and tells us that the job failed with system abend B37. B37 abend means the system ran out of space trying to decompress the file. To fix this, you will need to increase the space allocation for the output file. I tell it to update the JCL to primary allocation of 400 cylinders. It does this and submits the job again. However, there is a new error due to our previous attempt to submit this job. It corrects the new output dataset name and continues. It responds to us that the job is currently running with the expectation that it will complete successfully. We wait a moment and then ask it to check again to see if it is finished. It comes back and shows us that this job has completed successfully with return code 0. In this demo, you saw how a mainframe developer is working on an application. They're writing some JCL, they're trying to run it, there is an error, Amazon Q locates that error based on the real job output from the mainframe in real time, taking the output, explaining the error, suggesting the fix, making the fix, running again, checking if it's okay. Leveraging Genie's GenAI framework together with Amazon Q saves a lot of time. Genie's 10x yourself.